Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So now that spring has sprung, I am going to do a DIY terrarium for you guys. So first, you're gonna need a glass jar or one of those cute little geometric things. I think this one's from Target. I got it forever ago, but I thought it was good for this terrarium. Next, you're gonna need some potting soil, some activated charcoal. We have a big bag of it, but I just grabbed a couple. Some river rock or just pebbles that you want to put in your terrarium, and a couple of plants. So I've got, I think it's called the Neanth Bella Palm. It's just a little palm plant. Oh shoot, spilling that in my soil. But I thought it was pretty. Then I did kind of a medium height. What is this called? Hypostes red. I think it's like a red dotted plant is the general name, but I thought that would add some color. And then the last one is my favorite. It is a maidenhair fern. All of these are really good for terrariums because they work well in darker, more shadowed areas. They're not full sun, and they can handle a lot of moisture. Because our terrarium is going to be closed, it's going to end up having its own little ecosystem. You'll see a lot of condensation build up around it. But let's get started. So first we're going to take our jar, and this has already been washed and cleaned. I've used it in the past for terrarium, so just use a little bit of detergent and scrub it out, rinse it out with water. So first we're going to take some activated charcoal and sprinkle it on the bottom. Want a nice layer across the bottom. Look at that. Next, you're going to take your river rock or pebbles and create a little bit of a layer on top of your activated charcoal. This is so your soil doesn't get lost in the bottom of your terrarium. And you're going to do another layer of activated charcoal and repeat this process until you've basically gone through all of your reserves. Our next step is to take some potting soil and put just a little bit of a layer across the bottom on top of your river rock. So I'm just going to scoop it on in there and try to create a little even layer. I'm thinking I want this to be maybe an inch thick. That way I can put my plants on top and fill it in with some more potting soil. Soil, and you are going to put the soil around your wee little plant, and you're going to just gently pat it down around your plant, and voila, there's your first plant. Next plant, again, I've removed a lot of the soil, and I'm going to put this piece off of this, some smaller pieces off of our palm, and plant those individually, sort of on the outside. And once you get everything potted in, just even out any places in the soil where it's not flat. and top it off. Okay, so this is our final terrarium. If you guys want more videos like this, please tell me in the comments below and like my video. Don't forget to subscribe so you can know as soon as I release a new video. Thanks guys, I'll catch you on the next one.